teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Suvikshan. I am studying 6th class in Kerala English Medium School. Today I am going to deliver a speech on India's great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is a name that familiar to everyone. He was a legendary freedom fighter who sacrificed his life to fight against the British. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. At the age of 13 years, he dedicated his life to the independence movement. When Lala Lajpat Rai was killed by the British, Bhagat Singh decided to avenge his death. He was found quietly in the killing of British police officer and he confessed it. And unfortunately, he was hanged on 23 of March 1931. He was only 23 years old when he was accepted. Bhagat Singh was immediately a true patriot. He served his country till his last breath. His life is an inspiration for all of us. He will be remembered forever. Thank you. With this, I end my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.